how to turn off repost button on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down and under the How Others Can Interact with You tab, tap on the Sharing and Reuse option. Further, go ahead and toggle off the Repost on Post and Reels toggle button, and with this, Repost feature will be disabled. So, this is how you can turn off Repost button on Instagram posts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.